This section covers the biomechanics that underpin stroke production in badminton, the main grips used in badminton, the 20 most common strokes used in badminton, as well as some suggested variations. The focus of the section will be on straight strokes, but cross-court variations can be achieved by taking the shuttle out in front of you, slicing the shuttle, adjusting the racket face by changing the grip, adjusting your wrist position. In order to hit the shuttle well, it is important to use the biomechanics of the body in an efficient way. This section takes some simple biomechanical concepts and demonstrates them visually with some examples. To generate power, players need to learn to use the large to small segments of the body in sequence. Note, having pushed off with the rear leg, the lower body, upper arm, lower arm and wrist contribute in sequence to the power of the final impact. To generate power, it is also important to preload the muscles. Put simply, muscles are stretched rapidly and the body's muscular and nervous system react to this, forcefully contracting those same muscles rapidly in the opposite direction. This effect can be seen during the backswing, then forward swing of all strokes. Whole body rotation is used a lot in badminton. These rotations can be used to generate force on strokes or to change direction when moving around the court. Upper arm rotation is a major contributor to racket head speed on both the forehand and backhand sides. Watch the upper arm of this player to see upper arm rotation in action. Lower arm rotation is also used to create racket head speed on both the forehand and backhand sides. This clip shows a forehand example. Bending and straightening is also important in badminton. There are many examples of bending in the backswing of strokes and straightening as you reach towards the shuttle on both the backhand and forehand sides. Watch the bending and straightening of the elbow on this example. Watch the bending and straightening of the wrist on this example. To strike the shuttle when it is level with you on the forehand side, the racket is held using a basic grip. This grip creates a V shape between the thumb and forefinger, with the bottom of the V slightly towards the front of the racket handle. Closer in, the basic grip looks like this. To strike the shuttle in front of you on the forehand side, the racket is also held in a way that creates a V shape between the thumb and first finger. However, the racket is turned so the bottom of the V has moved slightly towards the back of the racket handle. This is often referred to as a panhandle grip. Closer in, the panhandle grip looks like this. To strike the shuttle from behind you on the forehand side, the racket is held in a way that creates a V shape between the thumb and first finger. However, the racket is turned in the hand so that the bottom of the V has moved towards the front of the racket handle. Closer in, this grip looks like this. To strike the shuttle when it is level with you on the backhand side, a basic grip can also be used. As an alternative, some players take the basic grip, then move their thumb along the corner of the racket handle to play strokes level with them on the backhand side. This is called a corner grip. For strokes in front of you on the backhand side, a thumb grip should be used. A closer view of this grip, with the racket head below the hand, is shown here. For strokes behind you on the backhand side, use a panhandle grip. For power, or when reach is important, use a long grip. Use a shorter grip where racket head speed around the body or precise control of the racket head is required.